Hello, are you ready to repair some sentences with me? We're at the Sentence Repair Shop, and I've got some tools here to help us out. They look like this. Duplos, the big Legos. They're super fun to play with. And we're going to use these blocks to build a sentence. So the first sentence I'm going to show you is this. I went to the playground. Do you see an uppercase letter at the beginning? Check. Here's our uppercase letter. Is there space between the words? Yes. There's a longer word at the end, playground. And is there an end mark? Yes, there is an end mark. Okay, so if you want to do this with me, you can get some blocks too. Just hit pause and then come back with some blocks to build, and we'll build sentences. Go ahead and hit pause now. Welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to use these Duplos to build the sentence, I went to the playground. I'm going to start with uppercase. I need space. I, space, went, space, to, it's a small word, space, the, another small word, space, playground. It's a little bit longer. Playground. Now what do I need at the end of my sentence? I need an end mark. I'm going to use this. I'm using green for go and red for stop. I went to the playground. Period. Not a question mark. I went to the playground? I just built my sentence. Now, the next sentence I'm going to do, I'm actually going to make some mistakes in my writing, but I'm going to build it the same way that I wrote it. This is a pet sentence, and it's got some mistakes. But what I wanted to write was, we have 2 cats and 1 dog. We have 2 cats and 1 dog. 1 dog. We have 2 cats and 1 dog. It's missing something at the end. Do you see that? Now I'm going to build my incorrect sentence using the Duplos. There's the uppercase. We have, okay, we have space 2 cats and we have space 2 cats and space 1 dog. Wait a minute. We have 2 cats and 1 dog. That does not sound right. It's missing something. What is missing? What needs to be repaired here? Do I see enough spaces between the words? Do you? Do you see an end mark? Do you? I don't. Okay. So if this is going to be written correctly, let's repair. We, space, have, space, 2, space, cats, space, and, space, 1, space, dog. We, space, have, space, 2, cats, and 1 dog. Doesn't sound like a question. I'm not asking you, do we have 2 cats and 1 dog? I'm just telling you. There's my end mark. It's a period. We have 2 cats and 1 dog, period. When we talk about making a plan before you write, what you need to make a plan and think about is how many words do you need in your sentence? How much space are you going to need for your writing? How many lines is it going to take? Maybe this sentence is so long that you need to continue it down on another line. And as long as it's still following the rules, we have 2 cats and 1 dog, period. Then it's okay to use 2 lines or 3 lines. But it's still just one sentence, one idea. And this idea is about cats and dogs and how many we have. One idea, one sentence. You can write longer sentences with more ideas, but let's just make sure we are following the rules with our space between our words and our end mark. All right, next I'm going to show you another sentence that's incorrect, and I want to see if you can build it first. After that, I'll show you how I built it. Okay, friends, here is a longer sentence, and it has problems. It needs to go to the sentence repair shop. So we're going to build it just like we see it, and then we'll fix it. Oh boy. You might need a little help with this. I will read it to you first, though. My mom is very special to me because she makes me smile and helps me. Mr. Dowd, are you actually trying to tell us an idea? I am trying, but when I wrote it, I didn't leave certain things in between the words. Now it's hard to read. I'll try it again. My mom is very special to me because she makes me smile and helps me. Try to build it. Go ahead and hit pause. See if you can build this. It's going to be hard. I'm going to try to. If you want to build it with me, you can. Just like I see it here. My mom is very. My mom is very. Space. I see a space here. Special to. Special to. Space. Me. Because. Okay. My mom is very special to me because she makes me. She makes me. She makes me. She makes me. Space. There's a space. She makes me. Smile and helps. Smile and helps. Let me change it. Smile and helps. Space. Me. That's my crazy sentence that is weird sounding because I'm saying it so quickly. It's missing something. Let's go ahead and try to fix this. Okay. It's starting with an uppercase. Yay. There's no end mark. My space, mom space, is space, very space, special space, to space, me. There's not enough space on this line. I'm going to have to go down. My mom is very special to me because space, she, space, makes space, me, space, smile, space, and running out of space here. I'm going to go down. And space helps me. Let's see. My mom is very special to me because she makes me smile and helps me. What's missing at the end of my sentence? A period. You need the end mark. Uppercase, lowercase. I need another line, lowercase. I need another line, lowercase, end mark. Uppercase space, lowercase space, lowercase space, lowercase space, lowercase space, lowercase space, lowercase, 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 and mark. Building sentences. See how many sentences you can build, and then look down below this video and you'll see a list of sentences you can build. But I'm not going to make them wrong. I don't want you to look at sentences that are all wrong. I want you to look at some sentences that are done correctly. Build them correctly and then practice writing them. You need to use your fingers for the space, maybe one thumb or two fingers. Depends on the size of your hand. All right, have fun using the Sentence Repair Shop.